Snowflakes dancing in the street lights glow. Footprints in the snow, we're moving slow. Your hand in mine, our breath like little smoke. Under Christmas stars, I don't ever wanna let go. Your laughter rings like magic in the air. Red scarf, rosy cheeks, I pull you near. The world is soft in this winter wonderland, and I've got you, that's my only plan. When the night is silent and the moonlight falls, I hear a whisper, love is calling for us all. And I hear those sleigh bells jingle in time. They echo in my heart when you look in my eyes. All I want this Christmas is you by my side. We'll ride through the snow, baby, through the glowing night. Oh, I hear those sleigh bells entwined with your smile. Love's ringing like a lullaby. Stay with me a while. Candles flicker in your window, soft and warm. Evergreen and candy cane, our perfect storm. The fire crackles, but it's your voice that warms me. Wrapped up in your arms, that's where I'm meant to be. We whisper wishes under mistletoe, so green. All our secret dreams become what Christmas means. In this little world made just for you and me, we've got forever in the snowfall, you'll see. When the eve is peaceful and the world goes still, your heartbeat is the rhythm that I feel. And I hear those sleigh bells jingle in time. My heart, when you look in my eyes. All I want this Christmas, you by my side. Through the snow, baby, through the glowing night. Oh, I hear those sleigh bells entwined with your smile. Love's ringing like a lullaby. Stay with me. Let the world fade, let the lights go. Just you and me in the silent snow. If I could freeze this moment, I would find a way to hold you close every Christmas day. And I hear those sleigh bells jingle in time. They echo in my heart when you look in my eyes. All I want this Christmas is you by my side. We're right through the snow, baby, through the glowing night. Yes, I hear those sleigh bells right with your smile. Love's ringing like a lullaby. Stay with me a while. I hear those sleigh bells calling us tonight.